So I've been playing around with the NUCLEO-L476RG. Say I'm really impressed with how quickly setting up a working IDE on a Mac was. It's probably been the fastest I've gotten up and running with a microcontroller. So let me show you how I did it. Start by navigating to the Visual Studio site and download the Mac version. And then just launch VS Code after it's done installing. On the sidebar, navigate to the extension marketplace and search STM32Cube Core. You'll get a dialog here on the side saying everything it's going to install. I'm going to allow it. After that's done installing, you'll also want to install the project manager. We're going to be using the ST sample projects. Installing STM32Cube MX is going to be a quick way to get those projects. You'll want to navigate to the ST site and download it from there. Now that it's opened, I'm going to install the software packages necessary for the STM32L4. So as the software unzips, you'll notice that it'll pop up in your home directory, which is exactly where it needs to be because that's where VS Code is going to be looking for the example project. All right, and we're all set. So now I can close up here, and we'll even close STM32Cube MX. We don't need it anymore. Navigate to STM32, and then we'll import a project. So we're using the Nucleo board, we're using the L476RG. And then on the second page, there's a GPIO demo. And this is just a blinking LED with the GPIO button input. I'll select import, and I'm just gonna create a new project in here. And now we'll open this project in this window. For this project, you actually need the C++ extension pack. After installing your C++ tools, you'll want to also install the debugger. So I'm going to install the ST-Link debugger. Okay, and I'm going to open devices and boards. You can see we're already connected. So before we can debug the project, we're going to have to set up our toolchain. So in your STM32Cube section, select Setup STM32Cube Project. It's going to open up a window where you'll be able to select your toolchain. We're going to use GCC for this project, and then select Configure. This is going to make that CMake file and configure everything to be able to build successfully. And then here we'll save and close because we're done, and it'll jump back to our main.c file. Okay, now hit run, and then we'll select the ST-Link debugger. Bingo, we hit our first breakpoint. So now this is running on the microcontroller, and you're able to edit this file and adjust things however you like.